Morning, maghahanap tayo ngayon ng makakain for breakfast. Let's see what's inside our fridge. Okay, this is our fridge. Okay, so we have a waffle. Let's try this. My gosh. Yay. So, itong breakfast ko, 2 piece of waffle, then coffee. Let's eat tayo mga bata. Nakalimutan ko palang ilagay sa microwave. Yummy. Ito ang breakfast ko for today's video. Okay? Thank you so much.